Okay, one of the most common mistakes we see when clients edit their websites is that they do too much formatting of the text on their site. It's important to try and keep the formatting of your text consistent across the whole website, otherwise the website is going to start to look really messy. Now, when we build your website, we will have set a font size and a font type in what's called a style sheet. So if you ever want the font updated across your whole website, please just contact us and we can change it everywhere for you. It's not a good idea to go changing your font everywhere all over your site, so try and keep it consistent across all pages. Now, we've built some functionality into the content management system to allow you to do this consistently. So if we go to the edit area, I'll just show you this example page I've got here. So we'll click edit and scroll down to the edit area. Now you'll see here that we've got a drop down for formatting. Now in here we've put some preset sizes, colors and fonts to try and keep your site consistent. Now we recommend on all pages of a site that you have a heading at the top of your page, not only because it looks good and consistent, but having this heading 1, which is what it's called, or H1 tag, is good for the search engines. So to do this, you just select the text that you want to be the heading and click the drop down and just select heading 1. Now if you ever want any of these styles changed that are in this drop down, you can again contact us and we can set them for you. So if we change that, you'll see that it automatically changes to a heading 1. Now for the most of the body of the text on your site, you just want it to be normal, which is what it will always be as default. You don't need to manually change it to normal. Again, that's the normal font and font size that we have set in the style sheet. Now it's always a good idea to break up your text as much as you can to make it easily readable for the viewer. So one way to do this is to create more headings down the page, or subheadings, and here you've got a few different sizes to choose from, and again we can change these for you if need be. So if we set that one to a heading 4, it's a bit smaller heading and just breaks it up and makes the page a little bit easier to read. Now you are able to change the font, change the size, color, etc. Again, we strongly recommend that you try to keep the whole site as consistent as possible. There's nothing worse than coming to a site and seeing red highlighting, green text. It just makes the site look really unprofessional. So it's always good to just try and keep it as consistent as possible. Now to remove any formatting, you can just select it and click this button here, which is remove formatting, and that will get rid of all of the formatting that you've custom put in there. So remember to try and keep it all consistent as much as possible across the whole website, and just contact us if you want the formatting to be changed, the default formatting to be changed at any time.